What's up, Copy Squad? I'm coming at you live again today. So, I got a question earlier during my last live, and the question was, have you used these 4 things to write a fear-based promo? A fear-based promo is usually like some impending doom is on its way. You need to take this action to keep yourself safe, right? Those types of financial copywriting promos work really well in a bear market. In a bear market, those things work well. And the question was, have you used the 4 pillars? And I keep talking about the 4 pillars, right? Something has to be new, safe, easy, and big, right? If you want to sell copy, you just need those 4 things. But generally, with a fear-based promo, you can still use these 4 things. Okay, so what I say about the 4 things is each has an alter ego. So for new, it's only. If I can say it's a brand new thing, you can only get it through me, it becomes amplified. That exclusion makes new better, okay? It's a new thing that I own the patent to or I have rights to or something like that. Another thing you can say is I'm the only one who has access to this solution for you. So you can use that in a fear-based promo and say, I'm the only one who can help you save your money. I'm the only person who knows how to do this because I've got the secret connections, I've got the know-how, I've done this before. That's the only. Like, you can only get it from me, I'm the authority. 2, safety. The alter ego for safety is predictability, okay? And that's where you will have the power in a fear-based promo. If you look at the End of America promo, they tell you stories about these downfalls, right? They're setting the stage. They're creating the pattern in your mind. Like, this sort of thing happened back in the day, and now here's a couple things that are happening today. And what you'll see is like, oh wow, that's very similar to this. So what they're doing, because you cannot prove a prediction, you cannot prove that this will happen because it's predicting the future, right? But what you can prove is it fits a pattern. It fits some sort of repetitious event cycle that every time this happens, that happens. So if you need to do that using the 4 things in a fear-based promo, you go to the safety one and you take on its alter ego predictability and you demonstrate that pattern in as many different contexts as humanly possible. And then you tie it to today's horrible fear-based opportunity, right? The next one, easy in anybody, like I said, that one's more difficult unless I can tell you things that are not roadblocks. I can tell you things that are not hurdles for you to succeed. I can say, yes, this is horrible. All this stuff's happening. I'm predicting it because I'm an authority and we've seen it happen before. But don't worry. If you don't have connections, you're fine. If you don't have $10 million, you don't need it. If you're not a financial whiz, don't worry about it. Anybody can save themselves now. Boom. Just did it with the easy. The last one is as big. Well, big is just, it's like inherent in the prediction. Like, holy shit, you're going to lose all your money. That's big, right? Fast. So fast is Big's alter ego, right? So big is Clark Kent, fast is Superman. So if it's urgent, like okay, the big thing's coming, you're going to lose all your money, the financial system's going to collapse. It's going to happen tomorrow. We're all going to lose all our money tomorrow unless you take action today. Do it right now. Holy crap, hurry, hurry, hurry. So what you've seen is the 4 things, but I've actually learned this through thousands and thousands of hours of translating thousands and thousands and thousands of pages of copy and learning that these patterns are ubiquitous, man. Like, I can convey anything I need to using these principles. I can, and it's in the message, the important part is I convey it, right? I don't say it. I communicate it. It's not what you say, it's what you communicate. It's how my words resonate. It's the same thing in copywriting, but you don't have vocal tone. You don't have body language. You can only communicate using the words. And you have to learn how to manipulate the words in a specific order to communicate exactly what you want. But before you got to do that, it's like a roadmap, right? How can you get where you're going if you don't know where you're heading? I have the translation written out in this book for you. You know exactly what you need to say, and then you just create the words that say that emotion, and it'll always resonate, it'll always work, and you'll make a ton of money. Peace out. That's it for this bonus video, Copy Squad.